Hello and welcome to the morning after from Engadget. My name is Matt Smith, and this week we have a heck of a lot of tech news to get through. Google has revealed its latest next-gen AI model. Yes, we're already onto Gemini 2.0, and Apple Intelligence features that are actually kind of fun and interesting to play with have finally landed with iOS 18.2. Also, Masterclass has announced that it's turning some of its mentors, or I guess masters, into on-demand AI chatbots. Let's get stuck into things. So almost exactly a week after OpenAI made its O1 model available to the public, Google is ready to elbow it out of the way with a preview of its next-gen Gemini 2.0 AI model. The company says 2.0 can offer native support for image and audio output, and it's apparently aimed at developing more agentic models, and that's apparently a model that's able to understand more and think several steps ahead and even take action for you online with your permission, of course. Rather than starting the preview by offering its most advanced version of the model, Gemini 2.0 Pro, it's launched with 2.0 Flash. That's the most efficient and affordable model available now to all Gemini users. And for paying customers, Google is also debuting Deep Research, a new tool that uses Gemini 1.5 Pro's long context capabilities to write deep reports on complicated subjects that demand much deeper research. Yes, with iOS 18.2, we're finally getting some Apple Intelligence features that are at least mildly fun, like rainy day activities with your mum. Until now, Apple Intelligence was buttoned down features like proofreading and rewriting tools, live transcription, stuff like that. Now it's time to get a little bit more creative, although a lot of the features are only for the iPhone 15 Pro, 16, and 16 Pro, those being the iPhones that pack the necessary chip to run Apple Intelligence. First up, Image Playground can generate images based on your text prompts or contents of your text conversations. It's pretty similar to Samsung's generative AI in its latest phones, and just like that implementation, it's cool for a few minutes and then I forget to use it ever again. You can, however, use a photo from your iPhone's camera roll as a starting point, but Image Playground can't produce photorealistic images of people, and that seems to be by design. Genmoji, meanwhile, lets you create your own custom emoji. Tap the new Genmoji button, which will normally hover above your keyboard, and enter a description of the character or item you want to make. You can even type the name of a contact, and contextually, it'll ask if you want to use photos of that person, if you have photos of that person, to generate those AIs. Me in a Santa hat, done. Niche food dish that isn't currently offered in the standard emoji set, done. A Genmoji that looks like you that you're happy with? Nah, not yet. Users in 48 US cities can now buy a new Hyundai car from a local dealership through Amazon. Now, just like buying a car from a dealership, inside Amazon Autos, you can browse by make, model, trim, color, and features, and finance options. Whee! The interface itself also offers an instant valuation of your current vehicle's trade-in value, then you just drop it off when you collect your new ride. Amazon is even claiming transparent pricing and says that this will remove the need to haggle with a salesperson, which is surely part of the thrill. And if you're not hoping for a new Hyundai this Christmas, don't worry, Amazon Auto says it will add more manufacturers, brands, cities, and features in 2025. Microsoft has started a new beta test to finally bring cloud streaming to its Xbox consoles. Participants in the alpha tiers of the Xbox Insiders program can now start using this feature both on Xbox Series S and X consoles and even Xbox One consoles, although it is limited to Game Pass Ultimate members and the games need to support cloud streaming. Now, there's already a short list of supported titles in the program for now. It's a bit limited, but it does include the likes of Baldur's Gate 3, Cyberpunk 2077, and Balatro. Oh, you thought I couldn't possibly mention Balatro twice in a single episode? Proved you wrong. And that was your morning after. Thanks once again for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure to check out all the other videos on our Engadget channel, including a lot of reviews of the very latest technology releases. And yes, I hope to see you next week.